Okay, here we want to use an application of the derivative. We know that we can use the derivative in various ways, and it helps us solve a lot of different types of problems. But here we want to be able to find the equation of the tangent line to the function x cubed minus 2x plus 6 at the point 2, 4. So now we have the directions on the right side, and this is what we want to do each time we have this type of problem. The first thing we want to do is find the derivative, which is f prime of x. The second thing we want to do is plug our x value in so we can obtain our slope m. And then we want to use the point slope formula to obtain the equation of the line. And I'm going to write this out. If we remember that point slope formula, that's something that we used a long time ago, but if we use that point slope formula, if we remember, it was y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So we're going to put these ones right here. Okay, so now once we come back to it, let's go. So our very first step we want to do, we want to find our derivative. So we know that f prime is equal to 3x squared minus 2. That's using that power rule. That's 3x squared minus 2. Now, to find m, we want to evaluate it at 2, which is our x value. So that's going to be 3 times 2 squared minus 2. Remember, number 2 said we needed to plug in our x value to obtain the slope. This is our x value. And we plugged it into our first derivative. So bringing this back down, 3 times 2 squared minus 2, that's going to be 412. So our slope, m, is going to be 10. And now we use the equation, our point slope formula. So this is going to be y minus 4 is equal to 10 times x minus 2. Okay, we go to our next step. That's going to be y minus 4 is equal to 10x minus 20 because we have to distribute, of course. And then our final step is going to be y is equal to 10x minus 16 because we have to add the 4 to both sides. Okay, so let's try to do another one. Let's just let that be example 1. Let's use this other one with the exact same examples. Let's just say x squared plus 3x. And let's do this at the point -1, 2. Okay, and we have x squared plus 3x, and we're looking for the tangent line here. So let's go back through it. The first thing we're going to do is find that derivative. That's going to give us 2x plus 3. Now, for slope here, we need to plug our x value in. That's going to be 2 times -1 plus 3. -2 plus 1 gives us 1. And now we go directly into our point slope formula. Yeah, I'm going to come over here to make sure we have enough room. Y minus 2 is equal to 1 times x minus -1. Y minus 2 is equal to 1 times x plus 1. Yeah, we're going to show every step. Y minus 2 is equal to 1x plus 1. And for our final step, of course, we need to add 2 to both sides. So that's going to be y is equal to x plus 3. So these are just two quick examples. I'm going to separate them. These are just two examples of how we find the tangent line. And that's one of the many applications that we can use for the derivative.